Namo tassa Namo tassa bhagavato arahato samma sambuddhassa. Namo tassa bhagavato arahato samma sambuddhassa. Namo tassa bhagavato arahato samma sambuddhassa. Okay, I'm going to check homework. Still remember the page number 20 in the book, number 11. The poet's son struck the dog with a stick. Okay, what is the meaning Pali? How to translate to Pali? Okay, the poet's son. Kavino putto, kavissa putto, with the stick. Yatina, the dog. Sunakang pahari or pahari. Pahari is better, no? Pahari. Next one. Our sons learn from the sage. Amhang o amhakang putta isina uggan the uggan hinsuo uggan hesun. Uggan hinsuo uggan hesun. Uggan hinsu. UGGAN.HIM.SU. Okay, next one. Your monkey. Tava tuihang tawang or tava tuihang or tava kapi. From a tree. From Rukkamha, no? Rukkamha or Rukkasma. Fell down. Fell down means pati. Not husband, no? Not master. Pati. This is a verb. Next one, my dog went my dog mama sunako maihan sunako to with me maya sadding to the house gehang went gachi the gehasa we cannot say, no, because don't have receiver here. So accusative, to the house. Okay, to the house means accusative. Gehang. Next one, a serpent ahi mama puttassa hattang dasi ahi mama puttassa hattang dasi. Can Paning also can. Next one, the leopard killed a bull on the road. How to translate? TP on the road. Magge a bull gonang killed maresi. My friends looked at the lions. Mama mitta o maihang mitta sihe olo kesung Mayang also can. Next one, Mayang Bhupatino asing na pasim ha Mayang, no, pasim ha o pasim ha. Mayang Bhupatino asing na pasim ha. Next one, ahang migang na gaching. Ahang migang, this migang samipang, nearby. This means the near. I did not go to the dear meaning, I not go nearby. This means ahang migang samipang. Samipa means nearby, near, to near, Samipa. This means Samipanga. SAMI loan, PAM dot, Samipan. Okay, next one. You huh? Huh? You board. It's Asian English. Very Asian, huh? Yeah. You bought a peacock from the poet. Both can, no? Okay. तो तुम्हें खाविना मायूरांग किनात है ना. You buy the peacock from the poet Kinath. Twang kavina mayurang kinasi. Okay. Now another homework. Answer. Homework 7 for the lesson 10. Remember, 26 March 2015. Future tense. Okay. Translate into English. Munayo manchesu nisi disanti. The monks will sit on the beds. Very good. The monks will sit on the beds. Munayo manchesu nisi disanti. Can I check your homework? Okay, can I collect? Okay, please, I want to show. Huh? Don't say Musawada. No. Cannot do. No. Okay. Number. Huh? Sorry? Okay. Number 2. Ahang dipamhi charisami. Dipamhi means on the island. I will walk on the island. Singapore island. Next one. Chora, the thief. Gahapatino, Nidhing. Choresanti, will steal. Whole sentence. Okay, hidden treasure of the householders. Okay, can. Number 4. Oloka isam mayang vi bhupatino asing, the king's sword. Oloka isam, look at, will look at. Whole sentence. Good. Next one. Twang, atitino, to the guest. Odanang, dadisasi. Whole sentence. Okay. Next one. Meaning adipati. Vanijamha, manayo, kinisati, will buy. Again. Next one. Meaning the husband or the master. Yachisati, will beg. Vihing, paddy. Kasakang, the husband will beg the paddy for the farmer. This is a kassa. Kassa, we maybe have to edit a kassa kassa. Kassa kassa. Kassa kassa. It's better. Sorry. For paddy. For also the husband will beg the farmer for paddy. Can do? English okay? Huh? Can? This means the husband will beg the farmer for paddy. Can English? Okay. Okay, this is correct. English okay? The husband will beg the farmer for paddy. For the paddy. Okay? Yeah, the true of accusative. True accusative. The farmer for paddy. Paddy. Yeah. Because the, how to say, okay, anyway, it's better you make the correct. It's because the we can two way. One, the receiver or owner. This meaning the paddy owner of the farmer. Or one thing, another one, the farmer is the receiver. Huh? Yeah, that's right. The master will bake the paddy for the farmer. For the farmer. Then you have to edit the kassa kassa. Kassa kassa, okay? Yeah. Anyway can. But according to the Pati Kassakam Vihin Yajin Sinhalese I can translate. Sinhalese can. But so English is translate the husband will beg the farmer for paddy. Can. Meaning the accusative we can get the Chatuthi meaning. Yes. The paddy for the farmer. For the farmer, so for the farmer. Because usually we can say now we are using the normal meaning of the bhakti, but later we can see sometimes dutiya accusative they can give another different vibhakti meaning. This way we can understand. Okay. Next one. Isayo Dese Santi. Isayo Dese Santi will preach Dhammang, the doctrine. To the whole sentence. Okay. Poise the plural, kavi inanga. Next one. Meaning? Because no, the Girimha from the mountain. From the mountain, Rukkang to the tree. Today, how many hours spent to write? 8 hours. Oh, very good, very. Oh, very good, very good. Next one. Vanija. The merchants will go on the ocean. Through the ocean also can. Sorry. No, through cannot. Through cannot. On or in the ocean also can. In or on. Next one. Mayang maggena gamang gachisama. Mayang we gachisama will go. Gamang to the village. Maggena by the path, through the path also can. By the path. Can. Okay. Next one. Deepi kaping marisati. The leopard will kill the monkey. Leopard. Next one. तुम्हे पतिनो पदीपे गन्हिसत. तुम्हे, you, गन्हिसत, will take. Patino padipe, the master's lamps, or lamps of the master. To the master also can. The lamps to the master also can. Can. Padip means usually oil lamp. Huh? Oil lamp. Lamp. Next one. Aham buddhassa pade pujessama. Huh? Pujessami. Aham. Huh? Yeah. I. Huh? Okay. Offer to the feet. Usually, yeah, the offer means if you have something, it's offer. It's better. Respect or worship. Bow down, knee down. Worship or respect. Bow down. Next one. Kavayo kapinam odanam dadisanti. The poets will give the cooked rice to the monkeys. They has good metta, no? They have good metta. Monkeys give the rice for the monkeys. The poets. Next one. Arayo asi anesanti. Arayo means will bring the good. Next one. Meaning okay, the hands or monkey's hand also can. Next one. We will see the moon from the mountain. Next one. You will give okay, we'll give food to the mouse. No, this is food. Yeah, yeah. The receiver. Next one. Good. Now translate into Pali. It's very good. Very difficult, no? Oh, it is good. Difficult meaning good. Very difficult. Okay. Okay, please recite. Okay, word by word meaning. No, the slave. Daso will strike. Paharisati, the enemy. Aring, with the asina. This means daso asina aring paharisati. Okay. Daso asina aring paharisati. Next one. From the household. So, food. Will get. Labhisama. Mayang adipatina aharang labhisama. Okay? Understand? Next. He. So, to the mountain. Giring. Giris is okay. Giris. A monkey. Hopping. Will carry. Harisati. Whole sentence. Next one. Tumhe Maggena, by the road Maggena, to the village Gamang Gachisata. Next one. Birds meaning Sakuna, from the tree. Rukkamha, to the sky. Akasang, will fly. Uddesanti. Sakuna Rukkamha Akasang Uddesanti. Number 6. The thief, Chora, of the king. The gems will steal. Chore Santi. Okay, next. Ahang, Sinang, Aharang, Dadisami. Dadisami. Next. The sons of the poet. Kavino Putta. Next one, of the month, from the month. Munissa Dhammang Sunissanti. Kavino Putta Munissa Dhammang Sunissanti. This means Dhamma belongs to the Muni, monk. Twang Magge, on the road. Magge Deeping Passissasi. Twang Magge Deeping Passissasi. Okay. Next one. The lion Siho on the rock. Pasane. Pasane, pasanami, pasanasmi. The deer Migang will kill. Maresati. Okay. They will see the mountain on the island. Te Deepe Deepami Deepasming Giring Passissanti. Okay. Number 12, no? This means the last homework, number 12. Okay. You see, meaning तुम्हें उदय दिन गच्छिसत. तुम्हें, नो, तुम्हें उदय दिन गच्छिसत. तुम्हें उदय दिन गच्छिसत. Next one. The dogs will run to the village. Sunaka Gamang Dhavisanti. Because plural, no? Dhavisanti. Sunaka Gamang Dhavisanti. Next one. The merchant Vanijo from the leader. Adipatina, Adipatimha, Adipatisma. Asang, a horse, Asang will buy. Kinisati, Kinisati. Next one. We will bring a gem our feast. Mayang in feast. Muttimhi Maning will bring. Aharis Sama. Aharis Sama. Next one. The monkey will catch the serpent by belly. Kapi by belly. Kuchina, no? By belly. Kuchina ahing will catch. Gun his sati. කොච්චින අහිං ගන්හිස්සති. Okay. Next one, you will sleep on a bed. Tuang mance saisasi. Tuang mance saisasi. Next one, we will dwell in an island. Mayang Deepe Deepamhi Deepasming Vasisama. Next one, तुम्हें हाथे भी ओ पानी भी ओ पानी ही ओ हाथे ही. The monkey cupping paharisatha. Next one, I will see the kings. Ahang Bhopatissa o Bhopatino Asing Passisami. Okay, good. Homework finished. Lesson 13. Translation of Pali Buddhist text. Huh? Yes, we try, yeah? We try, yeah? What is this? What is this? The impermanence of life. Sangyutta Nikaya. Okay, please recite. Accayanti aho ratta jivitang uparujjati ayukiyati maccanang kunnadinang va odakang. Accayanti. Accayanti aho ratta. Accayati accayanti. Accayati, the present and singular accayati, plural accayanti. Singular accayati, plural accayanti. Aho ratta. Aho and ratta. This meaning aha ratti. Aha ratti. Aha meaning day. Remember? Aha. Aha meaning day. Ratti meaning night. Aha ratti join aho ratta. Join aho ratta. Day and night. Acca yati meaning pass. 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 Jivitang. Jivita meaning life. Jivita meaning life. Jivitindriya, life faculty. Jivitindriya, life faculty, the life. Uparujjati. Okay, check later meaning. Ayu kiyati maccanang. Ayu meaning age. Ayu. Kiyati meaning going destroy. Yeah, going. Okay, okay, word by word you can see. Yeah. Acchayanti aho ratta. Aho meaning day, ratta meaning night. Acheti or achayati. Remember? Uh, 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 days and nights pass. Okay? Okay, write down. Right. Ach, sorry. Acchayanti ahoratta. Acchayanti ahoratta jivitam uparucchati ayukiyati maccanam kunnati nangvatakam. Okay? Okay? Everybody okay? Jeevitam uparujjati. Jeevita meaning life. Uparujjati meaning is stopped. This is a different, but anyway, the brief meaning life runs to an end. Uparujjati meaning runs to an end. Uparujjati. Life, every day, day and night, we are going to die. We are going to die. This is the meaning. We are passing the day and night. Okay, next. Ayu kiyati machanang. Ayu meaning life or age. Age also can. Ayu mean life or age. Kiyati. Macha meaning man. The lifespan of man is exhausted. Okay. Okay. Heaven. Maccha matcha meaning fish. Maccha matcha meaning fish. Macca matcha meaning man. Okay, next. Kun nadinang va odakang. Actually, the Kun Nadi means small stream. Kun Nadi meaning river, no? Nadi meaning river. This means the Kun Nadi means the little, the water's going. Water is very little. Small stream. Nadi nang meaning iva actually. Meaning iva meaning like meaning the nipat. Okay, like odakam meaning water actually udaka odaka like the water of the small streams. So what is the meaning? Very good meaning, no? What is the meaning? Our life also going. The river also first time big river, no? Slowly going to destroy. Same our life also going to destroy, going to die. Day by day. We practice. Okay, this Pali poem you have to by heart. Huh? Slowly try by heart. Very good meaning. Okay. Okay, you see. Accayanti ahoratta jivitang uparujjati ayukiyati maccanang kunnadinang va odakang. Okay. Accayanti ahoratta jivitang uparujjati ayukiyati maccanang kunnadinang va odakang. Okay, try one time. One more time. Good. Good practice. Okay, one more time. Okay. Okay. Please, if you have the diary, please write down this poem. If you have the phone, you type. Then every day try to see, try to memorize and try to think. Okay, try to practice meaning of this poem. Okay. Accayanti ahoratta jivitang uparujjati ayukiyati maccanang kunnadinang va odakang. Okay. Okay, everybody. Okay, next one. 3 types of activity. Majjhima Nikaya. Okay. Thayo me sankhara, kaya sankharo, vachi sankharo, chitta sankharo ti. Okay. Thayo me sankhara, kaya sankharo, vachi sankharo, chitta sankharo ti. This you can see the comma here. This meaning the joined word. Tayo ime. Tayo ime. Idam me punyang. This is idam, no? That's like imang. Tayo ime. Okay. Tayo ime. You see. Khatamo panakaya sankharo. Khatamo vachi sankharo. Khatamo chitta sankharo. Khatamo panakaya sankharo. Khatamo vachi sankharo. Khatamo chitta sankharo. Next one. Assasa passasa ko kaya sankharo. Vitakka vichara vachi sankharo. Sanyacha vedanacha chitta sankharoti. First time they mention there are 3 kind of activity: the body, verbal and mind. After that, what is the kaya sankhara? What is the bodily activity, bodily action? What is the verbal activity? What is the mind activity? After that they give the answer. Assasa passasa is a bodily activity. Vitakka and vichara is verbal activity. Sanya and vedana is chitta activity. Okay, we can check the meaning word by word. Tayo me sankhara. Tayo ime. You see, tayo meaning 3. Ime meaning this. sankhara activity. Okay, there are these three type of activities. Okay, write down. Tayome sankhara. Tayo ime. Ime meaning pronouns, pronoun. Okay. Okay. Next one. Kaya sankharo, vachi sankharo, chitta sankharo ti. Kaya body, vachi speech, chitta mind. Ti meaning task. Bodily activity, verbal activity and mental activity. Kaya sankharo meaning bodily activity. Vachi sankharo meaning verbal activity. Chitta sankharo meaning mental activity. Yes, sankha. Yeah. Vachi sankharo. Chitta sankharo. Okay. Heaven. Okay, next one. Khatamo pana kaya sankharo, khatamo vachi sankharo, khatamo chitta sankharo. Khatama meaning what, which. Pana meaning but, now. So, what is bodily activity? What is verbal activity? What is mental activity? They are questions. You know indeclinable meaning? So many verbs, words. Actually, this question regarding to the Anapanasati method, not the Paticca method. So this question and answers regarding the Anapanasati method. Yeah, then the Paticca method, the different meaning. The Kaya Sankara, Vachi Sankara, Chitta Sankara, the different meaning. But this way, different meaning. You can see. That's why the same word Kaya Sankara, but according to the Paticca and according to Anapanasati method, two meaning. Same question, but two meaning. Okay. Everybody okay? Assasa passasa ko kaya sankharo. Assasa, inhalation, in breath. Passasa, out breath. Ko, indeed. Inhalation and exhalation are bodily activity. In breath and out breath are bodily activity. This means regarding the Anapana method, no? In breath and out breath. This is a Kaya Sankhara. This is beginning of the method. If someone practicing Anapana method, first of all he can see in breath and out breath. This is a understanding of the Kaya Sankhara. After that, okay. Next one. Vitakka vichara vachi sankaharo. Vitakka meaning initial application of thought. Vichara meaning sustained application of thought. Initial application of thought and sustained application of thought are verbal activity. This meaning, after he see the in-breath and out-breath, then he have to continuously practice. Then he can see the nimitta, rise nimitta, and he can attain the first jhana. This first jhana state we call vachi sankara. Yeah. Then the before also first jhana, also vitakka vichara we can see clearly. Within the upachara samadhi. Vitakka vichara. Vitakka, because of vitakka and vichara arise in the verbal, no? Huh? Huh? No, this meaning we are controlling these two during the practice time. We can see the parika upachara samadhi after attain the patibhaka nimitta and attain the first jhana. Then we can see clearly vitakka and vichara by mind we can see. Verbal activity meaning now this is we are controlling. During the practice time we are controlling. Then we are the arise in the verbal activity because of vitakka and vichara shuffle to the arise to produce the verbal. This is a meaning. But produce the verbal. But according to the Anapana method, we have to control. First of all, kaya sankara. This means in breath and out breath. This is controlling. Then vitakka and vichara we are controlling. After that, chitta sankara we can see what is the meaning. This is mental feeling. Mental feeling. This meaning only we can see the happy feeling, the feeling, and the sanya. We know this is this one, this jhana, this jhana, this jhana. This is the mental. Next one. Speech. No, because we use the vitakka. Vitakka they have the different many English meaning. We use this one the according to the actually the how to say, we are taking the object. We are taking the object. Then we are continuously practicing. This is vitakka vichara. Usually this is the meaning. Okay. And we are before because the verbal activity very easy to arise because of vitakka and vichara. No, but no. Usually when we want to talk. Some yeah. No, this is the first of all have to arise the mind. No, mind. Then the mind produce the mind born kalapa. This is the stone, the Patavi element. This is Chittaja Patavi. Then after that, Chittaja Patavi touching the with the Kamaja Patavi in this area. After the verb come out. Okay, that's why we call Vitaka Vichar. But we have the meditation practice time, we are controlling this too. Okay, we are controlling. Yes. Yeah. Yeah. Huh? No. This is different. This is different. Understand? Yeah. This is regarding the Anapana method. Huh? Okay. Next one, see. Sanyacha, Vedanacha, Chitta Sankharo. You see? Sanya. Perception, feeling. Because after we attain the jhana or after attain the deep concentration, we are still feeling. Mano Sankhara. Feeling. We can understand only the happiness. Yeah, mental. This means the mental factors. Only the feeling. After they attain the concentration, practicing, feeling. Okay. Okay, please recite Pali. Can. In the Dhammapada. Udakang hi nayanti nettika usukara namayanti tejanang darung namayanti tacheka attanang damayanti pandita. Okay. Try to check meaning. Word. Okay. Udakang hi nayanti nettika. Udakang meaning water, no? Udakang meaning water. You see, Udaka water. He meaning because. Neti or nayati leads. Nettika meaning the subject. Sorry, yeah, subject. Who is doing? One who makes the contributes of watering. This is engineer, no? You see, engineers lead water. Understand? Udakanghi nayanti nettika. Nettika meaning engineers. Nayanti lead. Udakang water. There is a water supply. Okay. You want to take? Okay. But okay. Okay. Like the new water. So new water in Singapore, no? It's engineer. Okay. Okay. No, she won't take photo. Usukara namayanti tejanang. Usukara meaning arrow maker, fracture. Nameti or namayati. The hip bend or wheels to handle. See meaning. Everyone cannot make arrow, no? Some person very smart to do. This is the meaning. Fracture, strength, arrows. Those are this example. The first one's example, this one's example. Next one's example. Last one is Dhamma. This is the meaning. Who is know the how to arrange water, and who is know the how to make arrow. Okay. 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 Next one. Darung namayanti tachaka. Daru meaning wood. Tachaka means carpenter. Carpenters shape the wood. No, carpenter can do, no? They take only wood. They can make different kind of chair, bed, cupboard. Yes. Okay. Next one. Attanang damayanti pandita. Atta meaning, atta means self, himself. Dameti, damayati, makes, tame, master. Pandita meaning wise man. Wise man master themselves. Who has wisdom, he can control his mind. This meaning. Udakang hinayanti nettika usukaradam yanti tejanan darunnam yanti tachaka attanam damayanti pandita. Okay, today already 9 o'clock. Sadhu. Okay, copy. Still have time to copy. Maybe some more text exercise we put in the upload the internet tomorrow. Some more example to understand, to practice. And if you have time, check some in your textbook. Please take your textbook. Page number 39. Page number 39. Adverbs of place. Tatta, etta, ida, upari, tiriyang, katta, tatra. Those are things you have to practice. Adverbs of place. Okay. Page number 39. Paragraph number also 39. Okay. Already marked. Next another one, page number 35. Just try to read and to understand only. Paragraph number 36. Indeclinable past participles. You can read, you can understand, because the example of the having gone, having eaten, having seen, like this time we have to use different kind of Pali words. Now gantva meaning having gone, gantva having gone, bunjitva having eaten, okay. Then pachitva having cooked, pivitva having drunk, okay. Like this thing you have to check, because if you know this meaning, then you can practice the exercise by yourself, okay. Maybe later we will upload the answer key of this book, okay. We will upload answer key, yeah, but after finish. Okay, that's all. Okay, sadhu sadhu sadhu. Idam me punyang nibbanassa paccayo hotu. Sadhu sadhu sadhu. Sukhi hotu nibbana paccayo hotu.
Different than from your Kapia. This is the Kapia.
Okay, anyone?
So I pass it to
Sukhi hotu nibbana paccayo. Sukhi hotu nibbana paccayo. Okay, take forgiveness. Okay. Okay, every day can take sorry. Still have time. Still 2 more days. Two. Oh. Okay. Sadhu sadhu. Sadhu sadhu anumodana. Sadhu anumoditabba. Kamami kamitabba. Sadhu sadhu. Sukhi hotu nibbana paccayo. Sukhi hotu nibbana paccayo. Sukhi hotu nibbana.